Okay, so today we're going to change the driver's side tail light. Oh, I've got a little bit of rust there, don't worry about that. Driver's side tail light. So you just want to unclip this bit here, then 10mm socket on here. I've already loosened it, but as you can see, it goes like that. Take that one off, and that one off. Now, this wire here, just press on these bits, it just comes off, like so, pretty easy. Push it up, and then your tail light's out. Voila! Easy as. Okay, so now we've got the old one out, we've got to take the new one, which is from a 2014 Audi A5, and I'm just going to place her in there like so. Lovely. And then all you have to do is just connect this little thing up in here, like so, just like that, and then we'll just put the clip and the clip back on. Okay, so now we've got the clips on, it's wired in, and we're just going to tighten these up, so righty tighty, lefty loosey. There we go. And I will use the ratchet on these just to make sure they're tight. And that's it. And we've got a new tail light.